Good morning, student. I'm from Nandachaya Vidyaniketan School. Subject Maths. Topic Number Work. Subtopic 4-digit numbers. Made by Miss Jennifer Lamuel. So last period I had taught you about 3-digit number. I have added one more, that is th. It is called as thousand. So the place value now you can see in the screen is unit, tens, hundreds and thousand. So what is the full form of th? Thousand. H, hundred. T, unit. T, tens and U, units. Place value. Now I have given you like 2871. So how you will read this number? 2871. So you'll write 1 in unit place, 7 in tens place, 8 in hundreds place and 2 on th place, that is thousands place. So you'll read this number as 2871. So we'll solve our first exercise number 1. First day, look at the symbol, write the numbers and read it. So you have to draw this box and on that you'll write down th, h, tens and unit, and you'll draw a line on it and you'll make a circle how it is shown in your textbook. So now above unit, how many circles you can see? 2. So write down 2. Above tens, 1. Write down 1 below the tens. Above 100, how many circle? 1. Write down below 100, 1. Above th, how many circles you can see? 2. So you write down 2 below it. How you will read this number? 2112. Second, above unit, how many numbers? Circles are there? 4. So write down 4. Above tens, 3. Write down 3. Above 100, nothing is there. So you will write down 0 in there. Above 1000, 2 it is. So write down 2. So how you will read this number? 2034. 2034. Third one, above unit, any 0 circle or 0 you can see anything? No. So you will write down 0. Above tens, any circle? No. So you write down 0. Above 100, 3 circles. So you write down 3. Above 1000, 5 circles. So write down 5. So how you will read this number? 5300. Above unit, any circle is there? No. So write down 0. Above tens? No. So write down 0. Above 100, any circle? No. So write down 0. Above th, how many circles? 5. So write down 5. How you will read this number? 5000. Fifth one, above unit, any circle? No. So write down 0. Above 2 tens, 2 circles are there. So write down 2. Above 100, how many circles? 3. So write down 3. Above 1000, how many circles? 5. So write down 5. So how you will read this number? 5320. Above unit, how many circles? 3. Write down 3. Above tens, any circle? No. So write down 0. Above 100, nothing. So write down 0. Above 1000, yes, 5 is there. So write down 5. How will you read this number? 5003. First week, write the given numbers in figures. That means they have given in words. You have to write in figures. Figures, I had explained that figure means numbers only. So you'll draw this box. You will draw this box. Now, if your book is like this, you make your book slipping and you will draw it. So, first you write serial number, numbers in words, 1000, 10,000, 100, tens and unit. You will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns you will make, and down 5 columns you will make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the Roman number 1 you will make nicely column. So, first one is 4005. So, 4005 you will write. 5017. 5017. 8,000. 7,003. 313. 7313. Fourth one, 8000. 8000. 9999. 9999. So you'll write this in your books also. Second Roman number. Read the numbers. Now how you will read the numbers? 1001, 1010, 1100, 2002, 2020, 2200, 4004, 4040, 4400, 5051, 5105, 5501, 3067, 3607, 3670, 3076, 7038, 7308, 7883, 7830, 9000, 9009, 9090, 9900. So you will also read these numbers very carefully. Roman number 3. Read the given numbers and write them in words. So there is a numbers and you have to write in words. So the first is 1, 2, 3, 5. How you will read this? 1235. Second, 2341. 2341. 3507. 3507. 4115. 4150. 5045. 5045. 6787. 6787. 8888. 8888. 9007. 9007. Now here the fourth Roman number is using each digit only once. Write 5-digit numbers and read them. That means I have drawn here like diamond shape. On every edge of the corner I have wrote one number like 2376, like how it is there in the textbook. So you have to make 4-digit numbers, but 5 numbers. How we had made that 3-digit and 10 numbers, in same way 5 numbers we have to make with these numbers, and but we have to make 5 numbers but 4 digits. The first one I have took like 2376. So you'll read this number as 2376, 3762, 3762, 7623, 7623, 6237, 6237, 6732, 6732. Second is in same way I have drawn the diamond shape and all the edges I have given 5890 like this number, and I have to make 5 numbers with 4-digit numbers. So first number is 5890, 5890, 8905, 8905, 9058, 9058, 9850, 9850, 5098, 5098. Fifth Roman number. On a number slate, write different 4-digit numbers by changing one at a time, digits in different places. Now there is, you have to make th, h, tens and unit. In this you have to make the numbers. Now the first number is like 3025. You have to only change the places of the number, like if the 0 is in 100, you can make the 0 in tens, you can make the 0 in unit, but not on 1000, because if you put 0 in 1000, there is no value for the other numbers. So 0 you can put in 100, tens and unit, but all other numbers like 3, 2 and 5, you can change their place value from th, h, tens and unit. So I have made, see, like the first number is like 3025. So I took the tens and unit, I took on 1000 and 100, 2530. Then I took 5302. Like this you have to write 4 numbers. So write down Next is th, h, tens and unit. In same way, same it is like 1, 4, 2, 6. See, I have changing the places of the numbers in the place values. Like first I had wrote 4, 2, 6. So 4 came first, then 2, then 6, then 1. Same way, then 2, 6, 1 and 4. Same way 6, 1, 4 and 2. So you'll read this number like 1426, 4261, 2614, 6142. So did you understood the 4-digit number with symbols also, with figures also, and with words also, and how to frame the new numbers of 4 digits? So you can write like this in your notebook.